recovery process after Shave-Less FUE, I think, is a lot easier than a shave procedure. Imagine having your head shaved with kind of bristly hair. And when we do FUE, let's say we did 2,000 grafts and you had 2,000 small wounds and you're laying back and you have bristle up against these wounds, that creates a lot more soreness. Now, a shaveless procedure where you have the remaining hair left long, it actually cushions the hair and makes it less abrasive. So the healing and pain in the donor site, I find, is much less. In fact, we rarely, if ever, write pain medications. We haven't written any prescription pain medications for over 5 years. And it's a testament to the procedure and to what we're doing here at North Atlanta Hair Restoration. As far as side effects for Shave-Less FUE, there are no increased side effects versus doing a shaved procedure. The healing is a lot faster doing a shaveless because of the pain aspect in the donor site. The results long-term are going to be the same, but there's no increased side effect or negative reason from a medical perspective to say, you know what, I feel more comfortable doing a shave because I heard that medically it's safer to do. That's simply not the case. If you look at our Google reviews and our before and after pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about.